Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to run a Python script on ESP32 in just 5 minutes. To do this, we'll be using Micropython. It is a lightweight implementation of Python 3 designed to run on embedded systems like ESP32. If you're new to Micropython, do not worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. To get started, visit the official website of Micropython to download the firmware and access detailed guidelines on how to flash it. I've included the link in the description for your convenience. If you're flashing Micropython on your board for the first time, you should erase the entire flash memory using this command. Next, download the Micropython binary from the website and move it to your preferred location. This will be needed for further flashing process. I have already downloaded the firmware and copied it to my preferred location, so I will not do it again. Now to deploy the firmware to the board, starting at address hex 1000, use this command. Make sure to replace the binary name in this command. Before going straight to blinking LED, I want to ensure if the firmware was flashed properly. So I'm going to start with something simpler. Let's try to open VS Code and write a Python script that will print out something. This way we can be 100% sure that the flashing of Micropython was successful. To upload Python scripts to ESP32, you will need Micropython remote control tool. This tool allows you to interact with ESP32, manage files and run scripts remotely. To install this tool, follow this command. Now let's connect to ESP32 using this tool and copy scripts. Then we will command Micropython to execute it. I expect to see the prints in the same terminal after the run. Now that we know Micropython is flashed correctly, I'm going to make a new Python script. This script will import pins from machine module and select the pin associated with the LED on the board. We will copy over the Micropython script using the same command as before and make it run. You'll be able to see the LED blink on the bottom right side.